Raju Patel is just a name. But these guys are the pillar. Whatever activities we initiate, it is them who stand by me. And that is why every time say Raju Patel president, Raju Patel comes jumping on the stage, right? But no, it's these people. They are the one who stand by me since last 17 years. Maybe sometime I am hard on them, sometimes they may not like it, sometimes I dig their pocket very deep, but they stand by me. So give them a big, big, big hand. All of you guys. All of you guys. Now I like to invite, and I tell him you consume at least 5 minutes. Less than that I penalize him. Former Councilman Stephen Lipsky. કનૈયા ભાઈ કોઈ એમને ઉચકીને ધક્કો મારીને મોકલો. કનૈયા ભાઈ આપણું મંદિરનું બાંધકામ કરવાના છે, એના એ મેનેજર છે. Now, Mr. Lipsky, want to you going? Oh, yes. Now, let's see these guys. We have an election next month, and I like to invite a candidate for the Jersey City School Board, Noemi Vasquez, Alexander Hamilton, Asinia Johnson. These kids are going to look after the education of our kids. Give them a big hand and make sure you go and vote. Now, Mr. Lipsky, I am sorry, but now it's your turn.
Thank you, Raju. 17 years ago, I was on the council, and this idea was, hi, priest, put forth, and without hesitation, we made it happen. And I look all the way from Tunnelly Avenue to Kennedy Boulevard and see a pack of wonderful people enjoying themselves doing the garba, playing Raz, eating good food, and I'm just totally delighted to be here. Ombe Mata Ki Jai! Shukriya.
It took less time, Stevie. Let me tell you what happened 17 years back. At that time, there was a Mayor Cunningham in Jersey City. He was my good friend. So what happened from the SID, we went to see him, and he was telling our SID administrator that this guy want to play Navratri up to midnight on the street. Do you think council will approve it? And the administrator says, Mayor, he already got approvals. Okay, at that time, Councilman Lipsky was there, other good councilmen were there, and since that, we have this program on the street. When we have an issue about the stage, it was Councilman Steve Lipsky. He said, Raj, stop negotiating, just built up on Liberty Avenue. And we saved just $3,000. So that's not a bad idea at all, right? And my guy who is building up the stage, give Phil Gio big hand. Since last 17 years, I haven't given him a raise. 17 years. Every time he comes, he built up this stage 2 times and take it home 2 times. So there are not only Raju Patel, but there are people who has helped this event. And they are not all of them Indian. Look at my security people, Hassan and Jamal and his company. Right? You feel safe, don't you? Yeah. You guys feel safe or no? Yeah. If you don't feel safe, they will make sure that you feel safe. And if you don't behave, We have ideas for that too. We do not allow any drunk people, no alcohol consumption. And if my guy sees that, the net will be like this. And you will be out of the ground. Because from that wall to that wall, we have a license. We do all the procedure in a right fashion. Now I take before too much time. ભાઈ અહીંયા ટિકિટોને માટે કોઈ છે કે નહીં? અતુલભાઈ ભાઈ ટિકિટો જેને જોવે માંગી લો before we start the draw. I like to invite Shri Atulbhai Shah for a couple of words.
Hello, Jersey City! Make some noise! Ladies and gentlemen, 17 years ago, as you have all heard, this year it's the 17th anniversary of our Navratri at Jersey City. Year after year, the executive board of JCMA and the Govinda Sanskar Kendra had put this event, selfless commitment, timeless commitment, and they did a great job. Give it up for Raju Bhai and the entire committee. Now I have a request to you. For 17 years, we never asked anything. On behalf of Govinda Sanskar Kendra, a community center we're trying to build. And last week, we did the Bhumi Pujan here with the help of our gracious donors and supporters. And all I'm asking, I have a request to you, humble request to everyone, whatever you can donate, $1, $5, $10, $20, $100, please do that. This is your community center, we're trying to build it. And as you have heard, the different activity of the temple, different activity of the community center. So far, we treated 7,000 patients for the eye, prevention of the blindness, prevention of the eye problems, cataract, glaucoma and whatnot. So please help our center. This is your center. My humble request to, give it up for the temple. One more time, again, what you see today is nothing but because of this man who's standing in my right. Give it up for Raju Patel. 17 years of non-stop hard work putting. We need a little more noise. Make it up. Give it up. Thank you. Thank you all.
એટલું જ હું વધારે બોલું છું ને. Anyway, yesterday I told only 10 miles from here in Rutgers University, a big thing happened. There is a professor named Audrey who called our Lord Rama as a pig. She called Lord Rama a pig. Now I am very secular guy in that sense. We run the program over here, winning the peace. We go to mosque, we go to church, even Govinda temple. The soldiers from West Point Cadet come every year since last 11 years. Right? And I am very secular, but I like to give such lesson to this bigot who do not know anything, call herself scholar and talk nonsense. So now it is we as a people from India, doesn't matter what religion you follow, it is disrespecting the most revered person that we respect from our history, Lord Rama. So I like you guys to go on change.org and sign a petition. Please do it. It is unfair to the community. Anybody can say that we as an Indian ever attack any country? Anybody knows that? We never did that. But at the same time, we don't have to take an insult from any idiot. Doesn't matter how scholarly he or she is. And my humble request to all of you people, sign the petition. Sign the petition and send it to the message to the president of Rutgers University that this cannot be tolerated. No kind of bigotry in any form or any sense should be tolerated. And remember, in Rutgers University, Indian kids are not in a minority.
Right, right.
Am I right?
You're right.
And still, we have to face this thing. We as a community, doesn't matter from where you are, what religion you are, we should not tolerate it. And sign the petition. That is the totally non-lethal way of expressing our views. So sign the petition, let the president of Rutgers University learn that we are live community.
Yeah.
We are not a dead people. Maybe we are passive, but we are not dead. Alright? So please sign the petition. Now I like to invite, we have a good candidate who is going to preach the same thing as the Board of Education members. I like to have word from Noemi Vasquez.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I don't know, maybe it's good morning. My name is Noemi Velasquez. I am running for a seat on the Jersey City Public School Board. First of all, I'm very honored to be here with you. This is my second time. I've enjoyed myself fully. I would like you all to please come out and vote on November 5th for the team Change for Children, because this district needs change for our children. I am an educator. I have educated some of your children. I have educated some of you. So please remember your teacher, Ms. Velasquez. Thank you.
Next, I like to have word from Alexander Hamilton.
Thank you, everybody. This is an amazing festival. And I've been in Jersey City for 30 years. This is the second time I've been here, but it's amazing what you've done. Amazing. 17 years, this is incredible. Running for school board, obviously, because there's nothing more important than our children. Okay? Our children are the most important thing that we have. And we need to make sure that they're learning everything about every culture. Multicultural education needs to be back to where it should be, because we need to learn about all of this. Not everybody understands everything from every community. We need to make sure everybody does, okay? So the first thing we want to do is integrate the Board of Education back into the community. We want to give it back to you so that you can tell us what you need to make the schools better, okay? It's a new day, it's a new year, and your kids deserve the best. Thank you.
I like to invite Ashina Johnson.
Good evening, everyone. Everybody having a good time? Woo! Thank you so much for having me here. I am enjoying myself. I think this is like my third or fourth Navratri celebration, and I have a ball every time. So I am also running for the Jersey City Board of Education to represent you and to make decisions with you for your children to ensure that they have the best education possible and that they have a multicultural education. We are a very diverse city, and there's no reason why we can't celebrate every single culture that's represented in this city in our school system. So I would appreciate if everybody on November the 5th vote for the Change for Children team. And when you see us in the street, anything that you need, we're open to discuss with you. Thank you so much and have a great night.
Thank you. And good luck, all of you. And I'm taking promise, when they get elected, they will think of Diwali. When I give something, I say true. Now, Govinda has a special program every week, Thursday and Saturday. And we give a dinner to at least 500 people every
All of
week.
that crew.
Every week.
Thank you.
And in that, it doesn't happen just like that. There are people who help out, and I like to recognize them by reading their name. Shantaben Patel, Santaba Nai, Sakuben Patel, Leelaben Patel, Akshaben Patel, Savitaba Patel, Sardaba, Maniben, Manjuba, Maltiben, પુખ્યાબેન, કુસુમબેન, મધુબા અને કમળાબા. આ બધા ઓલ્ડ એજ પીપલ છે, વેરી ઓલ્ડ એજ પીપલ, એન્ડ દે કુક ફોર ધ કમ્યુનિટી એન્ડ વી સર્વ. ગીવ ધેમ અ બિગ ક્લેપ. સેકન્ડ નેમ વડીલોમાં છે ગોરધન દાદા, ગોરધનભાઈ, ગોરધન કાકા અમારા, રામભાઈ, નરેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલ, ભાઈલાલભાઈ પટેલ, સોમાભાઈ, રાજનભાઈ, શૈલેષભાઈ, નયનભાઈ, લાલજીભાઈ અને દક્ષેશભાઈ પરીખ. આ બધા સેલ્ફલેસ પીપલ who is working and helping. Give them a big hand please. Don't be chingus and greedy. શાંતાબેન અમારા ખાસ વિશેષ માણસ છે. કઈ જતા રહ્યા શાંતાબેન? નહીં ગયા. શાંતાબેન, આજે મેં કહ્યું તું જો તમે સ્ટેજ પર ના હો ને તો તમારું ગળું 12 ઇંચ લાંબુ કરી દઈશ. થાંભલો છે, દોયડું છે, બરાબર? પણ શાંતાબેન આયા, બચી ગયા. Now we like to draw. Anybody like to buy the ticket right now? Anybody like to do Aarti? Contact Maharaj. There is some fees, donation. अच्छा, तो बाहर वाली जैसे. Okay, so people who like to buy the raffle ticket, please go for that. Dig out your pocket for $5, not much. For 4 days entertainment, $5 is not bad. That deal, and that is also chance to get something to win. So please, meanwhile, we will carry on with our regular Aarti. So please join the Aarti. After the Aarti, we will use your 10 minutes to have